Welcome to a short introduction to embed reporting in your application for your customers. This will be a whirlwind tour of this how-to guide posted in the Developer Center. The goal of the guide is to go from nothing to a full-fledged dashboard reporting solution with minimal time and effort. Let's start with a peek at the end product you'll be able to produce by the end of the guide, a reporting dashboard. At a glance, Apocalypse Products can see the top 5 selling products, quantity of products sold by month, and the source of sales. Here's the how-to guide. Step 1. Sign up for a Precog account. Step 2. Decide how to organize your data. Permissions are granted at the path level, so it makes sense to separate your customers into different paths. It can also make sense to capture semantic significance at the path level. For example, you could have a path ending in clicks to denote that all events in that path are clicks. This means you don't have to store a field, say event type, clicks with those events. Ultimately, how your data is stored will depend on your needs and your data. Step 3. Create API keys for your customers. You don't want to share your master API key and instead want to create child API keys that are restricted to specific paths for your customers. For more details, see the security API documentation or use a client library. The guide has examples of both. Step 4. Instrument your application. Adding a few lines of code can get data you're already generating streaming into Precog. For a screencast, see this link to YouTube. Step 5. Back import historical data. The easiest way to get historical data into Precog is through LabCoat's drag and drop interface, but the guide covers additional options. Step 6. The dashboard uses the results from 3 queries, and you can run these queries from the demo version of LabCoat. A great way to learn Quirl is to tinker around and modify some of these sample queries. Step 7. Create a dashboard. Bring everything together. Import the JavaScript client library and the report grid visualization library, then utilize both of these to turn queries into dynamic visualizations. Check out the text-based guide for more information on all these steps. Thanks for your time.